You think masking should be mandatory when we're traveling? And I got COVID again. Went on this nice, beautiful vacation down to Hawaii. Went to Oahu, Honolulu, Waikiki Beach. Got a surfing lesson and come back and I wind up with COVID. It's part of life now, I get it, but I think at this point, like there was this guy coughing behind me on the airplane the entire flight, just coughing nonstop. And I'm thinking, man, why don't they hand him a mask or something? I'm almost thinking at this point that masks should be required on planes again. What do you think? You think masking should be mandatory when we're traveling? If it means actually enjoying the vacation after, or if you've traveled with family, having them be safe, maybe we need to do it.